PC crawling slow? Hanging every minute? Blame low RAM? Think again. The real culprit is right in front of you. Yes. Microsoft Edge. A silent RAM thief. It runs even when closed. Last night my laptop fan went crazy. I was just watching a movie. Annoying. Today on PC Error Detective, we will catch this RAM thief. A practical fix. No fake software needed. Let's start. Let me show you proof. Check it yourself. Press Ctrl-Shift-S as Task Manager opens. Give it time to load. Go to the Processes tab. Count the Edge tasks. Even with the browser closed, it eats 100 or 200 megabytes. Half of 4 GB RAM ends right here. It drains your battery quietly. FPS drops in games? Exactly for this reason. Surprising, right? Now let's stop it. Close Task Manager. Open Edge from the Start menu. I know you do not like it, but we must go inside to catch the thief. It takes time to open. My PC is slow today too. Anyway, wait until it fully loads. Do not rush. We will go to settings when the page is ready. Look at the top right corner. 3 dots. Click them. A big menu drops down. History. Downloads. No need to panic. Settings is at the bottom. Scroll down. Click on Settings. This is the main control panel. Edge controls your whole PC from here. Let's look. Settings are open. Many categories on the left. Privacy. Appearance. Find System and Performance. Near the bottom. Click it when you find it. The right panel will change. 2 options hide here. They destroy your RAM and CPU. I was really shocked when I saw this the first time. Mind blown. You will be surprised too. Look at the System section on the right. First is Startup Boost. The name sounds good, but it keeps Edge on standby. It always costs RAM. Turn the toggle off. The pressure will drop a lot. Especially the boot time. It will become very fast. Another terrible option is right below. Continue running background extensions when Edge is closed. It eats RAM even when you close the browser. So weird, right? Turn the toggle off. Now Edge will not hide and run when you close it. Both settings are off. It will not eat resources without permission anymore. Check if it worked. Close Edge with the cross button. Open Task Manager again. Look, the Edge processes are gone. Your RAM is free. Relief for low RAM users. But suppose you do not want to keep Edge. You want to rip it out by the roots. It is possible. Let's see. Many people never use Edge. What is the point of wasting storage? The uninstall button is hidden in Windows 10. You cannot delete it normally. But there is a special safe trick. Not a dangerous script. Completely safe. Subscribe if you like this. We bring regular hidden solutions. Keep a backup browser before deleting. Install Chrome or Firefox. Otherwise, how will you use the internet? I have Chrome on my PC. I am showing that. Pick your favorite. A backup is a must. Do not forget. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Press Windows key plus I. Go to Apps. Click on Default Apps. We will make Chrome the default. So Windows does not go crazy when we delete Edge. So it gives no errors when you open links. Search for Chrome in the list. Click on it. Then press the Choose Web Browser button at the top. All web files will become Chrome. You might need to change some links manually. The main job is done. The system is ready now. Say goodbye to Edge. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Store in the Start menu. Type Wintoys. A safe app. It controls hidden Windows features. Nothing to fear. Microsoft verified. Zero chance of viruses. Type Wintoys in the search bar. Check the spelling. Enter. An app with a gear icon. Bogdan Patrashku. Click the Get button. A small app. It downloads fast. Depends on your internet speed. The download is done. Press Open. User account control might appear. Press Yes. Many people get scared. But this is normal. You need permission to change system settings. The Wintoys homepage. A modern look. The Take Control of Your System button. Click it directly. The dashboard loads. You can see processor and RAM info. But we will not go there. Our target is elsewhere. A wrench icon on the left menu. Tweaks. Click it. Advanced settings. Do not click the wrong thing. Only follow what I say. Otherwise it might cause problems. Be careful. Scroll down in Tweaks. The System option. Expand it. Many toggles. We will take advantage of a European rule here. Deleting Edge is legal there. We will make the PC think we are in Europe. A trick. Find the Digital Market Act. Turn the toggle on when you find it. It takes a few seconds. It puts Windows into EEA region mode. The uninstall button becomes visible. An amazing clean trick. You will be surprised. A restart is required to apply the change. It will not work if you do not do this. I am pausing the video to restart. Save your work and click Restart too. Wait until the PC opens again. The restart is done. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Click on Installed Apps. The whole list will load. Search for Edge at the top. The uninstall button was grey before. Now magic. The uninstall button is clear, ready. Click it. A confirmation pop-up. Click uninstall again. Press yes on user account control. Press yes on the final prompt. Done. Edge is deleted forever, without any trouble. Your RAM will not be wasted anymore. The PC will feel fast and responsive. Comment if you face problems. I will reply. We end here for today. See you in the next video with a new hidden solution. Stay well, everyone.